Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. And in today's video we are going to cover Mangrove. This is a new DEX that doesn't have a token and they hint that could be rewards for early adopters. So basically using the DEX you can get the possible airdrop of the project. And this is not any DEX. They have a lot of technological new things that are very attractive for any new investor. So we are going to cover a little bit about the project and then we go step by step on everything that you need to do in order to get this possible airdrop. Like always, remember that I have my private Discord if you want to join us, and I have a subscription to my airdrop application too. So go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. Check all the benefits of these two things if you are an airdrop hunter. And before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Mangrove DAO is an on-chain order book DEX that allows liquidity providers to post arbitrary smart contracts as offers. It is an open source protocol that has been rigorously audited by the highly reputable and expert firm Zksync, ensuring the utmost security and reliability. You can also create your own AMM on top of Mangrove, so this protocol is actually a platform. And Mangrove doesn't have its own token yet, but could launch one in the future. They have hinted at rewarding early users, so those who actively trade on the platform may receive an airdrop if Mangrove decides to introduce its own token in the future, and I think they will do it. Right now the beta is live, so you can use it and maybe get the future airdrop. In terms of community, 15,000 followers, but you can see that they joined on June of 2021. You can go to mangrove.exchange to go to the website. This protocol is running on Polygon, so the fees are really low. They have some system that you will not have slippage on your tradings, and you can put market and limit orders. The look and feel is really similar like a central exchange, but here you have many other technological advances features. For example, the customizable offers. This new flexibility enables liquidity providers to post offers that are not fully provisioned, and the Mangrove's order book leads promises instead of locked commitments. And the total value unlock on Mongrove DEX, code can be attached to offers and liquidity no longer has to be locked and it becomes reactive. So with that you forget the TVL of this, and you can deploy your own composable strategies. If you want to see that, you can go here and see the strategies library that you already have and see all the details on the amplified liquidity, the multi-liquidity sourcing and more. And for any more technical details that you want, there's a white paper, only 9 pages, but it's really interesting if you want to dive deep into the technological aspects of the project. Actually, I really recommend you so you understand why I did the video, because of the value of the project. It's not like any normal DEX. As an ecosystem on Mangrove, you can have your programmable AMM. That means that you can create your own AMM on top of Mangrove based on current or your own models such as AMM aggregation or multi-token rebalancing. And another reason why I cover this project is for the point 9 of my step-by-step. They hinted at rewarding early users, so the users who trade on the platform might get an airdrop if they plan to introduce their own token. So I put the link there so you don't need to trust my words, you can check it for yourself. And you can see here on this post that was the 17th of July. On point 3 they say early users will be rewarded based on their active participation and usage of the protocol. So usually that will mean an airdrop, guys. Of course we are speculating, but this is very self-explanatory. So early users will be rewarded when they launch the token, and because of the characteristics of the project I really think they will have a token for governance and many other things that apply to the protocol. And because right now they are in beta, when they fully launch, I think they are going to have their token and you will be rewarded if you start to using it right now. So my strategy here, guys, is not to force you to go directly. Maybe you can just mark this video, mark this protocol in your bookmarks, and whenever you need to do a trade, you can just use it like organically. That would be the best way that you can participate on this airdrop. And if you didn't know it, HMX, I covered this the 10th of July. This was an airdrop also on a perpetual decentralized exchange that is going to distribute the airdrop on September 10, and you can already go to their website and check if you are eligible for the airdrop. And many people in my Discord did a lot of money with this. One person did like $16,000 and another, just to enter a little bit of liquidity, they did about $1,000 for this airdrop. So not only the big whales like Zksync, Layer 0, starknet can give you big airdrops, small projects and DEXs can give you also a lot of returns. So imagine just 2 months ago you participate on this, and now, like one of the members on my private Discord, you are going to get $16,000 of the current value of the token. That is amazing in the middle of a bear market. So imagine what you could do if you apply to all these different DEXs. Now let's go to the step by step on Mangrove DAO. Step 1 and 2, follow them on Twitter and Discord. Here are the official links. The step 3, let's go and visit the exchange at mangrove.exchange. The step 5 is going to be to connect our Polygon wallet. So we go there, and from the website we click on launch app, and we are going to be redirected here. Remember, the project is in beta, so I wouldn't recommend you also to use a lot of funds on this. Just start to trading to start generating some volume. Now we are going to connect our wallet. I will use MetaMask. And remember that you need to be in the Polygon mainnet. So you can check here that I am in Polygon. Now you can see that you can buy or sell using the market or the limit orders. This is similar like a centralized exchange and not so common for DEXs. Just for the purpose of the video, I will do a market, which basically is going to be a swap between USDT and USDC, but you can search another pairs. Right now this is a beta, so you don't have too many on the list. But keep an eye on this so you can use the protocol. Right now I have 31 USDC. I will transform this 30 USDC into USDT, and you can see I'm going to get a little bit more. So I will approve and sell the USDC. I will uncheck this so I don't give permission to use my funds at any time. So approve the pending USDC. I will put max because I am almost sending everything here. So approve that. And you can see successfully you can now trade your USDC. So this was the approval. And here you can confirm actually the official sell. Just click the button of confirm sell. And now we need to wait the confirmation. Remember to check the gas fees, but you can see 3 cents on Matic, really cheap. Transaction submitted, and you can see it on the block explorer. Of course, Polygon mainnet. And now you can see I have 31 USDT, and if I go to the history, you will be able to see here your transactions too. So basically this is the usage of Mangrove. Very easy and works really fine. So doing that, we already did the other steps. Step 6, that you will need USDC or USDT for test this, and you need Matic on your wallet to pay the transaction fees. Step 7 is that you can trade on the platform. Step 8 is that you can do a buy or sell tokens with market or limit orders. You can try both. Step 9, I already told about the hint for the rewards for early users. And 10, I just want to say that of course there's no guarantees that we are going to get an airdrop from this. It's only speculation. And always do your own research. But like happened with HMX, just during this week, many people did a lot of money in my private Discord applying to this airdrop that I covered on July 10. So maybe this could be another great opportunity when you need to swap tokens. Instead of using Uniswap, you can use these protocols that doesn't have a token, and maybe you could get an airdrop then. Remember, if you want to join me in Discord, go to my website, and in subscriptions, click here, subscribe now. Here you have the information for who is this, for what is included on my subscription on my Discord, and how this is going to help you. The same for my application of my Airdrop app. This is going to help you to apply easily to all my airdrops and your custom airdrops from another sources, and also get everything organized. And guys, next week I am doing updates on my app, so you will be able to edit a lot of the things that right now are not editable in my app. So you will have full control of everything in the app. That will be all for Mangrove. This is a new airdrop for the DEX usage. And before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.